Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you 10 pronunciation hacks. I think I told you before that when I'm teaching my classes, I notice some common words that people struggle with. And as a teacher, I find it really satisfying to come up with hacks to make life easier. Because sometimes the phonemic chart is really confusing for some students. So I tried to make it as easy as possible for everyone and as phonetically spelt as possible. Let's get started with the words and you can see if you also struggle with them. Number one is February. 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 Now, people really struggle with this word. I hear people saying February, February, and some people really just aren't sure how to pronounce this. I think it's because of that R in the middle. It's just really confusing. It's actually just two syllables. February. February. Easy. I really don't like February. It's really dark and cold in England. January's fine because it's my birthday, but February, well, there is Valentine's Day, which I love. Number two is Tuesday. 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 I hear people saying Tuesday, Tuesday, but the hack is that it's just the word choose and then day. Tuesday. Easy. Now, on Tuesdays, I call my granny. My mum used to call her granny. I really think that it's becoming a family tradition. Number three is can't. 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 Now, people really struggle with this, and in the received pronunciation British accent, we say can't. In the north of Britain, they say can't, and in America, they say can't. But if you want the received pronunciation British accent, you need to say the word car, so car, and then add nt, can't. Can't. I can't believe that my trip is ending on Sunday. I'm so sad. Number four is jewellery. 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 Now this is a really important word if you love jewellery like me. I hear people saying jewellery, jewellery. It's quite a lot of letters, right? It's kind of confusing. But I'm here to tell you that it's just two syllables. Jewellery. Jewellery. I love jewellery, especially when it's given to me by my loved ones. I have a beautiful pearl necklace that was given to me by my granny for my 21st birthday, and it's one of my most sentimental possessions. Number five is months. 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 Even native people find it difficult to make the THS sound, especially when you're speaking quickly and you want the conversation to flow and be smooth. We are always looking for ways to make life easier. So you can get away with pronouncing this as months. Everyone will understand you. No one will second guess what you're trying to say. So, months. It takes months and months and months to make a successful, great YouTube channel, but I'm on the journey now and I'm really enjoying it. Number six is literature. 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 This is a really confusing word to say. I hear a lot of different pronunciations of this word, and some people just avoid it or try not to say it. But it's an easy thing to know is that words ending with T-U-R-E, like culture, the sound is ch. Ch. Now anyone can make that sound, right? It's easy. Ch. So, literature. Literature. I studied English literature at university and I absolutely loved studying nature poetry because I love the countryside. Number seven is particularly. 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 This is a particularly horrible word. A lot of people just avoid it, but I'm here to make life easier, right? So, the stress is on the second syllable, so particularly, and the last two syllables are la-li, la-li. So particularly, 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 I challenge you to say that really fast and keep saying it, and you will get the hang of it, I promise you. Number 8 is awkward. 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 Now this is a very awkward word to say. Lots of people struggle with this word. They can say awkward, awkward, but no. The hack is that you say the word or and then quid, or quid, awkward. British people hate awkward silences. We will say anything to fill the silence, even if it makes everything way more awkward. But that's just part of being British. Number 9 is library. 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 So people struggle with this word. I can hear people saying library, library, but no, it's library. The hack is that the second syllable is the French cheese, brie. It's the same pronunciation. So library, library. I love libraries. They are places to seek solace and peace from the outside world. Number 10 is specially. 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 Now, this is another example of a hack made by natives to make life easier, to make conversation flow and sound more smooth. So you don't need to say especially, you can say specially. Specially. So I have absolutely loved traveling in Europe, but I especially loved France because of the stunning scenery and the culture. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Feel free to post a comment below of a word that you struggle with, and it may end up in a future video of mine. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.